Guys, dito naman kami ngayon sa
This area.
Cave Beach,
This area.
Pattaya.
You can let's
Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda dito, ha?
bathroom toilet here.
Bathroom.
You chain as a coat. I chain this.
Change. It's very hot. Sweating. Pawis.
Inside the car.
Inside the car.
Inside the car, no. I bring it.
Oh, okay. Then you walk into toilet. You chain.
Tayo.
How about you, Mare?
Ako din.
You bring your shirt?
Oo,
or
dala ko.
in the car?
No, sa toilet.
No, what I mean is the...
Na kay Papansoy.
Yeah.
Na kay Arnold.
Sa akin. We bring along the clothes, t-shirt.